Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to start page numbers from page number 3 in Microsoft. First of all, we open Microsoft Word. Once it's open, here we will write on the first page page number 1. And then go below to the second page and write page number 2. Then go below to the third page and write page number 3. And then click on page number 3. After that, click on Page Layout. And then click on Breaks. Then click on Next Page. After that, click on Insert Code the right side and click on Page Number. Click on Bottom and select any kind of page number. After that, click on Link to Previous. It should be disabled. After that, click on Page Number. Click on Format Page Number. A small pop-up will come in which we will click on Start At, and we will start from 1. After that, click on OK. After that, go to the above and remove the page numbers of the first and second pages. And now you can see this is page number 1, and there are no page numbers on page number 2. Page number 3 is the page number 1. After that, if you go below, this is the second page and third page, and this is the fourth page. That's the first way to start page numbering from page number 3. If you want more videos like this, please comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.